This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about measuring cups, specifically these silicone measuring cups. And there's two sizes available, the 1 cup and the 2 cup. And they're both made from a high quality BPA-free silicone. And you can see they've got a lovely ergonomic design that's easy to grip. They're heat resistant, which is fantastic, and they're safe to use in both the microwave and the dishwasher. They've got a nice flat bottom and a beautiful textured outside, which makes them easy to hold, easy to set up, and easy to use. You've also got these fantastic little measuring lines on both sides, and they're in both milliliters and in cups, making these a great measuring cup to measure both dry or wet ingredients. And they're especially fantastic if you're looking to do something like chocolate and you want to measure that out and then say melt it in the microwave, or something like butter and you want to be able to pour easily. These are a fantastic little thing to have on hand, whether you're a restaurant, a bakery, or another professional food establishment, or you're just an aspiring chef at home and you're looking for something quick and easy to use, especially for items that you want to heat up in the microwave.